delight in pondering over and abiding by the Dhamma, such bhikkhu shall not degenerate. Dhammapad 364. The monks who abide in the Dhamma, who delight in Dhamma, who meditate on the Dhamma, and is ever mindful of the Dhamma, does not fall away from the Dhamma of the first verse. The bhikkhu who in Dhamma dwells, in Dhamma delighting and pondering, remembering the Dhamma, he does not decline from Dhamma true. Dhammapad 364. Dhamma Rama, Dhamma Rata, Dhamma Anubhisintayang, Dhammang Anusarang Bhikkhu Samdhamma no Parihayati. Dhammapad 364.